We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of original defense, EcoFix OBD2 scanner Bluetooth, car diagnostic tool and code reader. Consists of the following features. This professional OBD2 scanner delivers reliable diagnostics by reading and clearing trouble codes, providing full system coverage for most 1996 plus OBD2 vehicles, and supporting bidirectional control with active testing. With over 15 maintenance reset functions including oil, brake, SAS, and DPF resets, it helps users quickly identify issues, reduce diagnostic time, and perform efficient maintenance. Combining advanced functionality with a user-friendly design, it offers accuracy, versatility, and convenience for both automotive professionals and everyday drivers. Gasoline vehicles manufactured 1996 and newer, diesel vehicles manufactured 2008 and newer. Comprehensive reset functions and full system coverage. Offers 8+ maintenance resets including oil, throttle, EPB, steering angle, DPF, ABS bleeding, BMS, and airbag reset, while delivering full system OBD2 diagnostics such as ECU information, auto VIN, and live sensor monitoring to reduce repair costs and time. Advanced diagnostics and code reading, they connect to your vehicle's OBD2 port via duct Bluetooth and allow you to read and clear trouble codes, check engine, ABS, airbag, TPMS, and more functions. View freeze frame data, and monitor live sensor information. This helps you understand issues without needing a mechanic's expensive tools. Maintenance and active testing. Some models, like OBDII Elite and TopScan Lite, offer bidirectional control, meaning you can send commands to the car's ECU for active testing, example Windows, A/C clutch, sunroof. They also include reset functions, oil reset, throttle adaptation, ABS bleeding, injector coating, and more, making DIY maintenance easier and extending vehicle life. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.